in this afternoon, or maybe all the action happened this morning. What I am going to do is I am going to shock everybody, shock the world, and I'm going to trade the NQ live in front of you guys. What? Say it ain't. I'm just going to prove the fact that as long as you know our process, you can trade anything. What's that? Oh no, I'm not trading this stuff. I'm waiting for a good time. Waiting for the perfect trade. Yeah. D-Knots are like, what? By the way, guys, when he shows up, we got a new officially paid or too soon to be paid Premier member, Mr. Rusty Willock, Mullet Mania. Welcome to the Premier Clubhouse. Yes, sir. Mullet Mania. You guys don't want to welcome to Premier? We'll do it and embarrass him in front of everybody tomorrow. He can't get embarrassed, so he doesn't get embarrassed. He don't get embarrassed. He decided that he wanted to stay with us for the long haul as well, like you got. Yay. Yeah, now, now we have to deal with you for the rest of the time. It was a bad idea. Let's give him his money back. Should have thought through that one. Dang it. Oh, then I want you on the. Let me message you if you don't mind doing it. Well, you're going to be here, so let me send you a chat here. Yeah, I sent you a private message. I mean, if you're going to be here, do you mind just getting on that as well? Okay, cool. All right, I'm gonna find something clean to trade here. I got yeah, yeah. Meeting minutes. I don't. That's either hit or miss sometimes. It is red, but uh, the Fed rate. Yeah, no, it's a meeting minute. So it's they make it a red folder, but I don't know why. Sometimes it moves the market, sometimes it doesn't. I probably, considering that it's already 136 and the market's not really giving me the cleanest setups that I want, I probably will wait until after that to try to get an afternoon trade. Probably. I'm really considering um, big money, big money, big money. Mm, M&Q. I was going to, but I was having those issues with the charts. I still haven't got it set back up. Hugo gave me the fix, but no. Answer is I was planning on it, but no. You had the exact same error that I had too. He told. Oh, I've got the fix. I'm gonna. Yeah, yeah. Let me. I'll give it to you right now. Let me just finish setting this one thing up because I'm going to do mine right now as well. That's just that setup didn't happen the way I wanted it. Or if we make a bigger M here, I'll look for the short. I'm going to do something wild here with the MNQ tick century. Real quick, I like this area to short from, so I'm gonna go ahead and start. with a 150 tick space, believe it or not. Nope, never mind. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wait for it to turn back over. Actually, no, I'm sticking my guns. Wait until after the FOMC meeting minutes, and then we'll turn on that. Yeah. Nope, 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 not YOLO. No YOLOing. Let me get Paulina to send you that link. I've got a lot going on here. I should be trading while I've got all this going on anyway. So, fix. Let me get the fix to you guys first. For if you guys have the tick reversal, let me instructions. Download that. Save. Image PNG. Let me. There's the instructions. Create a new chart first. Check. Oh man, that was a short too. You did it? I missed it because I'm messing with this. All right. Click new chart. Got it. Chat. I'm gonna have to do this for the ES as well. Dang. Because I have all this coaches stuff for the levels built into that chart as well. That's is it under strategies? No, it's indicators. Okay, let's make a new chart then. New chart. What's that, Stretch? Right, there's my new NQ chart. Make a new ES one. Oh, this bird's aggravating. Range 8. I thought it was gonna be okay having a bird. Now I'm not liking it. I was like, I always wanted one of these birds. Nope. Anybody want it? It's it's one of those like uh, tropical ones that talk. I'm trying to think of what it's called. It's shoot. I'll Google it. I knew what kind of bird it was. Paulina knows what kind of bird it is. I just don't. I don't pay attention to that stuff. Okay, I think I got a new ES chart ready. Okay. 8 range. All right, got that ready to go. Now let me get all the stuff on these charts. It's set to more than 10 days to avoid performance issues. I love that Hugo put that in there. If you didn't have enough days loaded. Well, he says Load data is set to no more than 10 days to avoid performance issues. I gotta change my data series back to 9 days. Okay. Uh, okay, I'm good with this. Let me, I can put this file in the room here. Let me add, I'll add the file that Hugo just gave me, or the image. Um, so you guys can follow those instructions if you need to update your range charts. I should have named it. I'll go back in and rename it later. Okay, now I need to add. Oh man, I can't do that. I'm just gonna have a different.
Gotcha, Grace. Gotcha.
All right, getting my stuff in order here to maybe get a trade. I missed this one. I really wanted this short here, guys. D-Nice, I'm assuming you're still in it. What? Poor trade management. I,
All right.
so I found the solution for what I text you about, but I'll call you later and tell you what I was trying to accomplish. Be nice. Oh, I text you, asked him for a favor, and Wilbur's helping me with it. But I'll call you and tell you what I was looking for. Thank you. You're the best. I mean that too. I like you, D Nice. I like that I taught you from day one to now. That is, I love that. You are actually, you really are. Like, uh, but I probably will. Okay, I gotta add so I have, so I'm just gonna have to keep two separate range charts because if I make a new range chart for my coaches levels, I'll lose all my lines for levels unless I guess Hugo could probably figure out how to. It's getting wild and crazy around this pivot. Is it two yet? Yeah. Um, get this done. We'll start doing some commentary, I think, in a second. Give me a minute. Let me see if I can get my strategies in here. Templates. Oh, I made a template too for the tick reversals. if you guys want those.
You did make templates?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know how to get that file though. Looks like it might be working. Hey. Oh, I don't have the zones on here. Shoot. Oh no.
Will Tech Reversal make its own zones after hours? No.
No. You're the man. The man behind the curtain does it.
Okay.
AKA moi. Although we're working on this. That's actually a cool thing. We're working on a program that will update zones after hours when I'm not doing it. Or we're trying to get it to a program that will snap the zones to my next zone, my next level.
Oh, so if it comes up to that level, past
So I
that
don't
level,
have
it'll
to get.
snap the next one, so it'll just keep.
Yeah, because I keep my line. I keep lines at the bottom of all of my zones
Right.
on my coaches levels, as you guys know. And oh no, I froze again. It froze. What in the world is going on here?
Oh, I ain't
Yours
just.
is working.
No, I ain't starting it now. If it froze yours.
I mean, look at the instructions. Make sure it's manual indicators. It did that. Add any indicators and the strategy. Go to Control Center, Strategies tab. Okay, maybe I should have done that before I tried to start it. Oh, this is aggravating.
Yep, it's doing. That's exactly what mine did.
Froze.
Yeah, but it worked good last night and it worked good this morning. Then all of a sudden, it just toast.
Let me tell Hugo real quick. I don't know. Maybe I'll get him the remote in. I wish I could trade it. This task manager is becoming a friend of mine. Closing Ninja out. Closing the Ninja. It's like that. I need to pin it to my taskbar. I've never had these issues, and all of a sudden, the past couple days, performance issues, like Hugo said. Well, I am flying blind. I know nothing. I know nothing, D9s. Know nothing. Would the Stretch leave? He didn't want to be involved in the conversation. Too many chefs in the kitchen, Stretch. No, no, it's fine. No, I like everyone. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, shoulda, coulda, would. Um, okay. Let's see here. Let me see if I can get Ninja. Oh, we lost D9 too. She didn't want to be on here. What are you saying, Lulu? Let me double check because it evidently worked for D9s. Joe. Bird. Oh, I know it's a bird. Your bird. Oh, yeah, I think that's what it is. Let me ask. Yeah, that's what they are. That's what it is. Thank you. Sorry about that. I got sidetracked working on those stuff. Thanks, Todd. Appreciate you, sir. All right, Ninja Trader, let's go. And anybody else watching this, we're going to see if we can do something on the Fed meeting minutes. If you're online watching as well, we're going to, yeah. So we're going to be streaming the Fed minutes, so it's Fed meeting minutes. Maybe we get some good stuff from that. Forgot to close the blind to the thing today. Nobody can see the water in the background anyway, can they? Try to be fancy looking. Had some chicken salad. Somebody put a chicken rib bone in it. Almost stuck through the roof of my mouth. Grace is here. Just to announce that. Just to announce that real quick. I lost you on the stream there. Oh wow. Let me see here.
How? There we go.
Gotcha.
We're back.
Okay, let me try to. I'm gonna have to deal with that tick reversal another time. I got too much going on right now. Oh.
Yeah, let's work on. We'll work on that. I really like.
Later.
Whoa.
Now my data is all messed up. What is going on here?
Dude, this.
This is fun. Okay.
All right, let's take trades.
Let's do that. Let's try to take some trades.
We work on that behind the scenes because it's causing me issues too. So. You're trading the NQ. Is that what you're doing?
I'm gonna do both. I got a chart on the side here with the this eval on the ES. That's the MQ. I'm changing that to the ES though, and then I'm gonna do the paid account on the NQ, and then I got another chart over here with my cash account on the ES. So I don't know why that was on the MQ. Oh, because I restarted Ninja, it was defaulted back to MQ. That means all of these are on wrong accounts. And fix all those in. So you can't get 16 on the chart trader. Oh, I have the wrong thing on there. That's not fun. And then I got to change that to a different account on the strategy. That account, enable. Okay, there's one done. Man, you got all these tools and you have one problem. You have to go back through every single tool and check stuff off.
Yep. Ninja's funny though. I like to use the drawing pad in Ninja, but if I put it on there, sometimes it messes with my stuff, so I have to just not use it.
Oh yeah, no. By the way, I forgot what I was going to tell you. Something I saw you do, or something I saw somebody doing. I was going to address it. There's another short missed. Oh no, we're waiting until we got a minute. Hey, here we go. Let's see if the meeting minutes. I mean, usually it's not that big of a deal, the meeting minutes, but we'll see. When did we peak out this morning? It was at 10:17. Wow, we peaked out exactly at 10:17.
Jumped up, now down, jumping around.
This is a where is I got a couple coaching coming up this afternoon. I got Dave Murphy, Mark Holler. You guys around? Well, that was the second cell, but
Off that red folder. That was kind of like a maroon folder, not really red. You're muted.
thank you.
Sounds like his lips are moving, but he ain't saying nothing.
What is he doing? I never know what he's doing. Muted. So I kept looking back at the chart and I was like, man, we need to go to a higher time frame. I was looking at 15-minute. And as I said, this sure does look like a head and shoulders pattern. So I was saying somewhere around the 7:30 area. And between here, I will start back shorting based on what I just saw. So there's my decision. And it's even. We even have, let me look at the ES as well, see if that looks similar. How many days do I have in here? I got plenty of days in. We ran all the way up to this level, just to turn it back around and go all the way back down. I'll tell you what, I might actually look into a Globex short tonight. Anybody down for doing that with me?
I'll do it. Let's do it.
Do it
What do
micros.
we
All right, I'll post it. I post what I'm doing
post
here.
it?
I do it when I make my decision. I usually post it in the alerts that goes out to your text messages if you have the mobile app, or message you on the mobile app. You have the mobile app, right?
We have a mobile app.
Yes.
Yes, he said. Yes, like you idiot. Yeah.
Click on the hamburger menu in the top left hand corner
Uh huh.
of the room here.
Yeah. I'm
Uh,
messing with you, dude. I'm messing.
Or go to PTR on your phone and log
Yeah.
in on your phone, and then go to the hamburger menu and download the mobile app. Well, if you don't have it, you should probably have it. I do send
Yeah.
alerts out.
Okay. I'm getting it right now.
It's good stuff. All right, let me get ready to get a trade in. Yeah, I got my ES ready to go. Got my NQ ready to go. Locked and or loaded. And just missed it. Oh well, we'll get another one. That wasn't the best one. I really wanted these two trades, and if it weren't for this, was one I wanted. This big double top here on the NQ. I really wanted that. I'm gonna shock everybody tomorrow by trading the NQ. What do you think? Any? You think all the other people that aren't here today is gonna be like, oh crap? I'll make. Let's see. $3,000 tomorrow, just trading the NQ. $4,000. I'll say $4,000
Tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it today as well, but I'm gonna showcase trading the NQ in front of everybody tomorrow, and show you that our process works on everything. Get out of my ES shell here. Just make sure we know. I'm telling you right now, you know, knowing's half the battle. I mean, I've been going back. I've actually been doing replay with NQ, so I'm pretty confident about it. But these happen so often. These double the where's my pin? Oh, I had to restart my computer. That's why I didn't have the EpiPen. Where is it? Believe it or not, the ATR has gone up a little bit. Okay, whatever. But these guys, this happens so often in the NQ. These double tops, that just so easy to trade. I was working with Nick and Michael on the price action, and if I can teach price action on the NQ, I can trade price action on the NQ. There's a double bottom. I like this wonky M, or like half a head and shoulder, or half the head and shoulders, another double bottom. I mean, this stuff just happens all the time. This trade, I missed it earlier because that's when I was dealing with my trying to fix my range chart. And I was like, oh, I wanted to be this one. Small little consolidation breaks around zones. Another W. Another bigger M here. This is just the junk from we hit the high, but perfect little consolidation break to the north side. Same back here. Same little W that I would have taken. I would have taken this if I was trading the NQ this morning. And then again, the bigger double bottoms. I love those. NQ does this all the time. Bigger double tops, bigger double bottoms, that you could almost just make that your trade. Another one from yesterday afternoon. Another one here. Another one there. Another one there. Another double bottom here. It just happens so often on the NQ. Big double top. Obviously triple top, but you had the M there too. This stuff just happens so often, so on such a regular basis. Look, consolidation break. I mean, you could literally just trade these small consolidation breaks and big double tops and double bottoms on the NQ. That's all you have to do. Another little double tap there. Another one. I mean, look at this. It's ridiculous. Consolidation break. Isn't it funny? What is interesting to me is how the NQ will run fast to one spot and then stay there for a little bit. That just stays there. Little consolidation break on the long side there. Short consolidation breaks, double bottoms. I mean, that's guys. Think about this. This is all you have to do trading NQ. Look for the double tops and little consolidation patterns. Trade them. Not complicated, is it? Like this is a little break of structure right now on the long side. You missed it, you'll be late for it. I'm not trading that long. I'm looking for the short. But that's the point I'm trying to make. Well, while we're waiting on the trade, anybody want me to teach on something or talk about fun, new, exciting stuff? Oh, let me see what Hugo said back to me. I'm going.
What room do you usually put the alerts? Or what room do you usually send your alerts through? Or
What do you
will it
mean?
come through no matter what through the mobile app?
Oh no, yeah. So both the main room and here.
Okay, so
It'll automatically just hit sync all rooms.
yeah, that's what I did. Okay, so I'm on the right path.
You should have Elite, Premier, and Main, something like that.
Yeah. Main, Elite, Premier, and Meetup. Yep.
I can make a new chart again. Let me go to my strategies thing here. Okay, I think I did it right. You've got to remove the old strategies first, then make a new chart. I think he had it backwards.
Okay.
But I'm not gonna try that right now. I'm trying to get a trade. I'll fix that later. So I'll make new charts later.
I'll work on it.
Yeah. So I'll flip those
get a hold
of
Hugo if I have trouble through the bubble.
Yeah. Well, let me begin and pick it, and then I'll give the solution to everybody. A new guinea pig. That's what I'm going to be.
All right, what are we looking for right now? You said you were looking for a short.
Yeah, I'm waiting for a rally to short here.
Yeah.
It's get pushed to the pivot this time. Hugo a couple questions. Maybe we get a little bit of a rally here we can sell on. This is not just doesn't look good though. It's there's
No.
too much price hanging around itself. Need a little swing. If I wasn't playing with the range chart, I would have definitely gotten this Emma back here. That's the only one I was even thinking about getting. Let's see. Let's just look back one more time. I'm confident that I'm going to get a big trade this afternoon, though. Okay. Hovering around that Globex high area really does look like a bigger head and shoulders pattern on a lot of different time frames too. Even on the 60, I was looking at 60. You got a bigger head and shoulders pattern.
Yep.
I'm probably gonna. Oh shoot! I gotta do that coaching call. I want to still be ready to trade though, because I think we're gonna see a late day move. That's typically what happens when this happens. Yeah, definitely want to look for the sell signal. Let's see if we get one. If it could come back up to where it sold from a bit ago, I'll take that. I think my zones are off just a tad here. No, that zone worked perfectly fine. They're just changing their levels up on us. Okay. Let's see if we get something, some kind of structure to. I mean, it's kind of making a double top, but that's not what I was looking for. So we'll pass on that. What am I looking for? Keep looking around these other charts to try to figure out what I want to do. I know I want to get a sell in, take a sell signal. Maybe this would probably not be a bad idea if we could get it pushed down to around maybe 590, 600. Oh, this will be perfect. I would actually look at a counter buy from this level that I had at 606 this morning. And Paul had I had 606. Paul had 608. So I would look at that. We just need to get away from the pivot at this point. Just go away from the pivot, and then I'll look at trading it, long or short.
Don't trade around the pivot. That's what
Nope.
you always tell me. So.
Nope. The pivot is can chew people up.
Well, look at how wicky it is.
Yeah. And it's funny how the price always gets attracted to the pivot a lot of times. And it never fails. When you get price close to the pivot, or it stays there, or it revisits a couple times a day, it never fails that one of those times or all of those times will be choppy, crazy, stupid price action. Just like what we're getting right now. We'll get this. Come on, push out of here. I'll take it.
Well,
All right. Now we're starting to get a push. We just get a pullback and a rally to sell on, and we shall be in business. Oh, and this is what I was going to do after two. I was going to do a short bias on the MNQ here. I'm using a huge 6 pace, but I'm going to place the orders myself. I'm going to stack them up throughout this price action that we've had coming down from the morning here. So I'm going to go. I put 150 tick space, but it's not going to be that. It's going to be whatever I want it to be. I'm going to start one at the market here, and We'll come a little bit lower for this one. Then I'll come to the top of these swings for that one. That swing for that one. And then I'll just leave a couple back here just in case I want to get deeper into it. There we go.
For the people on live right now, talk through that. What you just turned on, Tick Sentry, which is your proprietary kind of
Grid trading system.
grid trading system.
Yeah, so it's a proprietary grids trading system, Tick Sentry. That it's got a lot of other tools built into it, like the money line here. I'll show on the NQ. But it gives you a bias with the money line, green or red. It tells you basically if it's flat like we're at right now, you typically want to go both directions. But I still have that short bias from the run back down. But you could be fine both ways. Uh, it's got a lot of tools, as in you can run it both ways, one side or the other. You can start at market or not. One of the cool things is if you know a price that you want to turn the grid on at, you just set the set this to it and let it turn on at that price. If it doesn't go to it, never turns on. You also have a really cool one here. I'll do this on the E. Let me see if I put one on Sim. But we have a cool thing here for the. Oh no, this is a good account, and I do like that money line trade. So it also will let you start scaling in the trades at the money line, but that's going to take off without us. So we'll do this on the ES here. If it gets back up to the line here, so just it's a tool to help you not have to think about what you want to do from a trade standpoint. Just follow what it says to do, meaning that if the line's red, look for shorts. If the line's green, look for longs. If it's neutral, if it's horizontal to the blue line, maybe do nothing or go both directions. Really simple tool, but very effective, extremely effective.
Right. You use it a lot on the MEQ. MEQ, I mean.
I use it every single day on the
Yeah.
MEQ.
Right. And then, but it can be used on any
product.
product.
Yeah. Every single day I use it on it. It's just easy on the MEQ because you're I don't want to go too heavy on contracts anyway, and it just makes it simple.
Just ticks up, buys a contract, sells a contract, ticks, moves up and down, and just. I've seen it. I mean, It's amazing, like what it can do.
The power. I mean, again, look at yesterday. On the M&Q between two accounts yesterday, on the M&Q for two accounts, it was like $1,800.
Yeah.
When I was all said and done with it. That's amazing.
And it wasn't only you. I mean, Paul got into that.
Yeah,
He's the other coach, and he made money on it. I think a couple of the members made good dollars on it.
We had people posting $700 per account.
Yeah.
Yesterday, just using this with the M&Q.
And it does come with the trial account to try it, right?
Oh yeah. So if people sign up for Tick Sentry, they also get the guidance from us as well.
Right. Yep. And then, does it, to stay in the club and move to Premier? Does it come with the Premier, or is it purchased separate?
It does come with Premier. We have two tiers of Premier. One that's just the room access. And the coaching, and then the one that comes with the indicators and trade tools as well.
Trade tools. Okay. Yep. So people know. So, if you're new here, join the 7-day free trial. No credit card needed. It's risk-free, and try it out. Come join us.
That's how
Have good conversations. It is. That's how I found them, and just progressed up, man, and decided it was worth it. And it's great. The community's great. Come in every day. This is what we do. Learn to trade. And if you are a trader, then we help each other. I should say, if you're a profitable trader, we help each other as well too.
Well, there's going to be a breakout coming here in a second, guy. Like right now. Amazing. How do I time those things all the time? I'm still looking for this 530 number that we approached earlier today on the NQ. It oh no, at noon it did it. So we should be able to push back down there. I'm keeping my eye on this below. If it stays below 24,606, again, Paul had 608. So if it stays below that, we have to just start selling this thing again. If you look back at what happened today, Globex pushed down. Here's a really cool thing. I talk about this all the time, and this actually happened. Oftentimes, and if you look at this little Globex picture here, oftentimes, let's just put a little line here. I can't get my. Why is my? Is it just on another screen and I'm not seeing it? A pen. Where's my pen? Huh. Okay. Well, flying by, but oftentimes, you'll see. Let's use path here. You'll see that the Globex coming up here, down, making a swing high, a push low here, swing high, and then we got to close to the open here. So we're here into the open. That was 9:30, right there. Oftentimes, if you take a look at this, the day is an expanded version of the evening session. So there's your push up, push down, or the afternoon session. And then we got another push back up. And then so we should see another push back down.
To finish off our day.
Right. That's what it should do. That's what we should end up seeing. Oftentimes.
If nothing, it's a good baseline to start from, right?
Yeah, so the intraday session oftentimes is just an expanded version of the Globex, usually, which is another reason that I have that short bias as well.
We're below the pivot.
And then you also look at this too. I mean, here on the Globex, the last push before the open was that push up to the highs. Right after the open, we had a push up to the highs and a push back down. So there's things you can get from the Globex that most people don't look into. There it goes. See?
We broke the 08 you were talking about.
Yeah. Oh no, I wasn't in on a contract. Give me another contract. Where do I want to buy this at? I could probably look at something back there again. And we already got this thing going without me. Oh wait, it is with me.
So right now we're calling it the 4507, something like that. It's going to go down. Daily low.
Let me see. Possibly the. I'm gonna keep doing this again. I mean, the intraday low somewhere around 507.
507.
I just really don't see that as something that should stop it at this point on the downside.
So you're saying lower than 507?
Yeah.
Wow.
I shall say. This is what I'm going to say. Let's say we look at the charts, figure it out. This is ES, but we just broke through this level that was interesting to me first thing this morning, before the run up.
Right.
So that should be continued selling on the ES, and as you can see below that level, there's some good stuff that happens there on the sell side of things.
Yeah, there's some room to run there.
There's definitely room to run, and pretty sure the NQ is in the same position as the ES here. Yeah, that was the same. It just broke the same level that I was talking about this morning. Oh no, we're still in that level on the NQ. So a couple Okay, so we'll use that 5. Well, I was looking at 550 this morning. So below 550, I don't think that 505 or 500 area is as strong as the 550 area. So now I have a trade. I found me a trade after looking at that. We want price to come back up to this 605 area. Look for the short. See if that shall happen. Hey, maybe we'll get it. And I'm going to put this at the 606, 604 to get in front of it, the next entry here. We'll try to get something. I think we'll get something here soon. I'm pretty sure of it. Oh, shoot. I have a coaching in a minute. D-Nice, Stretch, either of you two want to jump on with the Mullet Mania? I got to do a coaching. Thank you. All right, I'm going to go do a coaching. I'll be back.
All right.